Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I've got a couple of phrases here which kind of go together, so you can use them in lots of different ways. So whakamaua is one of the ways of instructing somebody to put something on. Whakamaua tō is a single thing, and whakamaua o is if it's more than one thing, like shoes. And then tangohia is one of the ways you can say to take something off. So for example, let's say we're going to use the word pōtai, and that's a single thing. So that's tō, whakamaua tō pōtai, put on your hat. Tangohia tō pōtai, take off your hat. Whakamaua tō pōtai, put on your hat. Tangohia tō pōtai, take off your hat. For the example for plural, it would be for something like shoes. Oh, let's say kamuputu. Whakamaua o kamuputu, put on your gumboots. Tangohia o kamuputu, take off your gumboots. So those are common things that we're saying to children in junior schools and in early childhood. If you want to say shoes, it's hu. Whakamaua o hu, put on your shoes. Tangohia o hu, take off your shoes. So those are some common things, and then you can use those sentence structures for other things to do with coats, gloves, scarves, whatever else they need to put on or take off. Ka kite.